Many in literary circles have spoken out against those who have been returning their Sahitya Akademi awards. They believe it is a dishonor to the award itself, and they have questioned the rationale behind returning these awards.
Writers have lashed out on those writers who have been returning their Sahitya Akademi awards, questioning the grounds for their action. They question the rationale behind returning the awards, saying it is the Sahitya Akademi and not the government that had handed out the honor to them. They asserted that the move of literary icons amounted to dishonoring the recognition granted to them.
पुरस्कार वापस जो कर रहे हैं वो उन विद्वानों, उन वरिष्ठ साहित्यकारों का अपमान कर रहे हैं जिन्होंने उनकी किसी किताब को देने का निर्णय लिया। एक बात। दूसरी बात यह है कि ये जो अभिव्यक्ति की स्वतंत्रता, इसका संकट, ये बात फैलाई जा रही है, तो ये भी मेरी समझ के बाहर है। इसलिए कि ये जो दौर चला है, इसमें वो उदाहरण देते हैं दादरी हत्याकांड, कुलबर्गी साहब का वहाँ हत्याकांड और उसके पहले दाभोलकर जी की हत्या जो बम्बई में हुई। अब इन तीनों जगह गैर बीजेपी सरकारें थीं, प्रांतीय सरकारें, और लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, यहाँ तक कि सुरक्षा देना कि हत्याएं ना हों, ये काम प्रांतीय सरकारों का है।
Govind Mishra, winner of the 2008 Sahitya Akademi Award, also hit out at Kashinath Singh, who recently returned his Sahitya Akademi Award for choosing not to return the Bharat Bharati Award conferred on him. Singh was honored with the Bharat Bharati Award given by the UP government recently.
फिर एक सज्जन जो लौटा रहे हैं बनारस के, वो कहते हैं कि साहब अभिव्यक्ति का संकट उत्तर प्रदेश में नहीं है, जहाँ से उन्होंने भारत भारती लिया है। भारत भारती इसलिए नहीं लौटा रहे हैं, लेकिन केंद्र में और देश में संकट है।
Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Arun Jaitley has slammed the writers who have returned the Sahitya Akademi Award, citing a rising intolerance in the country. In a Facebook post on the issue, the minister called the move a manufactured protest by the recipients of past patronage. Taking a swipe at the protesting writers, the INB minister wrote that they had struggled hard to find a reason for a cause against the Modi government. Bureau Report, DD News.